guys, it's me Sheila and welcome to my YouTube channel. So today guys, another day, another ganap na naman tayo. Nandito tayo ngayon guys sa Ikea. Actually, I've never been to Ikea before. And yun, so gusto namin ini-check kasi naghahanap nga ako guys ng mga pang-decorate sa aking parang vlogging area. Sa parang filming room. So kailangan ko maghanap ng mga pang-decorations and appliances, mga ganung bagay.
It's like makeup. Look at that. And then what?
I guess go upstairs.
Okay. Look at this small and the magic forest.
Sobrang gusto ko tong style na to guys. 600 feet lang siya. Hindi kasyadong kalakihan pero andun yung double bed, andito yung couch mo, andyan yung TV.
That takes 6 living environment.
Oh wow.
This is what I was talking about, like a walk-in shower.
Yeah.
I would rather have this in our bedroom right now than to have the tub we've got. Just be able to walk in there.
Tingnan nyo guys, andito yung banyo. Tsaka andito yung kama.
I like that.
Wow. Sobrang nice. Ganun yung mga gusto kong style na parang pang dekorasyon sa filming room ko. Yung parang ganun mga desk lang. I mean, ganun mga shelving lang. Tapos, may mga decoration sa taas. Yung mga ganyang bagay. Ang ganda kasing tingnan. First time ko dito sa Ikea. So, akala ko dati parang maliit lang. Pero sobrang laki pala talaga na lugar. Akala ko talaga sa Ikea dati yung sobrang mamahal na mga gamit. Pero hindi naman. May mga, of course, may mga mamahal na furnitures. May mga sakto lang. May mga mura. So yun, sobrang gusto ko. Kahit yung si Steve na gustuhan din. First time niya din kasi. Mga first timer, diba? Pretty cool, right?
$199 for a little wardrobe. So
Look at this bed.
yeah, it looks like it.
Magkano to? Nakita ko yan, $3.99 lang yung mga ganitong storage box. Oops.
Very simple.
Yeah, I know. It's just simple stuff. At yung sinasabi ko sa kanya, parang sa wall. Ganyan yung gusto kong idea. Kasi may mga pwede mong lagyan ng books. Tapos may mga ganyan-ganyan dekorasyon. So, simple lang.
My belly needs to go on. I love what?
So far, gustong-gusto ko guys yung Ikea ha. Parang gusto ko tumira dito. Kasi sobrang, alam niyo yun, ang daming dekorasyon, ang lilinis, tignan. Ang ganda ng mga pagkakasetup nila. So, yan, gusto ko talaga yung Ikea. Ngayon lang ako nakapunta, first timer. Pero sobrang ganda. This one, Steve. But I want white. This is only $89.
That was bad.
I want it white though, if I were to get that. Eto guys, yung Eto guys, yung gusto kong style, oh.
Just look on this side here.
Tapos ay, eto, oh. Yes. Yes.
But you don't need this one.
No?
Not if you're, you know, I mean.
Oh, yeah. And you don't get this, you gotta buy this separate.
Yeah, you get that separately. Well, actually, I think this is separate too.
Is yung talagang table na parang gusto ko kasi ayan, may lalagyan ka dito and then dito din tsaka dun sa baba, and plus yung table is hindi ganyang kataas. So, sakto lang. Tapos, pwede ka maglagay ng mga decorations dito sa taas and mga books. So, yan. Hindi siya kasama. $60 pa to. Ito is $90 tong table lang. And plus, hindi kasama yung eto kasi nakalagay $50 eh. So, as in yung $89 is eto lang talagang table. Yan lang. And eto din guys, gustong gusto ko lalagyan ng mga makeup, lipstick, eyeshadow brush, mga ganyang klaseng style. Kapag may space pa ako, bibila ako ng mga ganyan for the makeups. And then, tingnan nyo guys yung nakita ko dito. Yung mga, I think they are YouTuber. Kasi, tingnan nyo si Nikki Tutorial, nandyan. Pero yung iba, hindi ko alam kung sino sila. So, sobrang nakakatuwa dito. As in, parang gusto kong matulog dito, Besh. Yan guys, pag medyo malaki-laki na tayo, eto na yung setup natin. Pero, ngayon, wala pa tayong budget para sa ganyan, Besh. Gusto ko yung ganyang kitchen. Oh, yeah. Eto pala, guys. Hindi pala yan yung gusto kong kitchen. Eto pala. Yan. Eto yung gustong kitchen namin, Steve. Yung may ganito sa gitna. Hey, what do you call this, Steve?
It's an island.
Island? Yan. So, ang tawag dyan is island. Pero walang dagat, diba, guys? Pero tawag dyan island. Walang dagat. Pero, ayan. Ang ganda, promise. Ang ingay ni Scarlett, guys. Nakakaloka tong batang to. Dito na tayo, guys, sa kitchen area. Sobrang laki pala talaga, guys, ng Ikea. Nakakaloka. Ang daming mga area. May kanya-kanyang area yung office, yung kitchen, living room area, room, mga ganyang bagay. For sure, babalik tayo dito, Besh.
You want to sit there, you can sit. Okay, sit. There you go.
Happy si Scarlett, guys, nag-enjoy. Scarlett, come here. Baby, not yours. Baby, it's not yours, baby. Come here. Come on, it's not yours, baby. Ang kulit nito ni Scarlett. Scarlett, come here. I told you to come here to Mama. Come here to Mama. Hold Mama's hand. Stop it. Stop it, Scarlett. Scarlett, stop it, please. What?
I want to say
What? Yeah.
I would act with me. I want this.
What are you saying? Slow down, please. Ang kulit ni Scarlett, guys. Nakakaloka tong batang to. Come on, this way. Go, Papa. Come here, Scarlett. Scarlett. This way, Papa, right here. Scarlett. Papa, right here. Come on, let's go. Come on. Papa, right here, see? Papa, right here, baby. Come here.
Come on, Scarlett.
Go, Papa.
Come on, baby.
Come on. Come, Papa.
Come, Papa.
Baby. She'll... No, not yours. Come on, hold Papa hand.
Hold my hand, baby. Baby.
Guys, eto yung magandang parang style na bahay. Kasi eto yung bedroom mo. Andito yung living room. Ando na yung kusina. Hindi mo na kailangang umalis. Hindi mo na kailangan lumabas sa kwarto kasi andito na lahat. Tingnan natin yung shower, guys. Here. Oh. Where the hell is the shower? Where's the shower? Oh. It's It's right there. Sabi ko kay Steve, nasaan yung shower? Kasi ito yung banyo, andyan. Ayun pala yung shower, guys. Ang liit. wala kasi ako nakitang butas eh.
See now, you can do something like this in our bedroom.
Come here, Scarlett. Let's go. Oh, look, Steve. The area. That area. I like that headboard over there. Simple. Second one. Yun guys, saktong-sakto kailangan namin ng bagong kama. Yeah, oh, I like that too.
That's pink.
Is it?
Pink stuff.
Here.
Why do you keep doing that?
Sabi. Yeah, this is a king. 459. For what?
For the frame here.
Just a frame?
Just the frame.
Scarlett, what are you doing? Be careful.
This would be more used in our room. Look at how much room. How big is that?
Attention Ikea visitors with Hannah Lenar, please report to Smollett. Hannah Lenar, please report to Smollett.
How much is that one?
It says it's $299 for the frame, and then $449 for the, yeah, the mattress.
Get on it. It's a mattress.
Tumitingin-tingin din kami guys ng kama kasi kailangan na namin ng bagong kama sa kwarto. Kasi si Scarlett, palaging natutulog sa kama namin, so hindi kami kasya. What are you doing, Scarlett? Baby, it's not your bed. Scarlett, it's not your bed. Gusto niya daw to guys. Kanina pa siya lumalapit dito kasi yellow eh. Ang daming kulay. Stop. Stop. Hold the mama hand. Come on. Scarlett. Let's go. Go to Papa now. Go Papa.
Come here, baby. Come here.
Go Papa. Hold on.
There you go. That's cute. You like it, baby?
Parang kwartong style ni Scarlett, guys.
Baby like
And
these?
put it in there. See. Hey, Scarlett, lay down. Lay down. Lay down for Mama. Lay down for Mama. Let me see. Scarlett, let me see.
Look at that.
Aww.
Keep her from rolling out. It's got the little lips on the sides.
Guys, gusto ko yung ganitong setup para sa kwarto ni Scarlett.
Kind of wide. Okay. $119. Not
For that
much.
bed?
Yeah. Just a frame, of course.
Oh, tingnan nyo, guys. Parang pwede dyan Scarlett's kitchen. Oh.
Ooh, baby. Look at the kitchen.
Look at Scarlett. Look at the kitchen, baby. Look.
The baby's kitchen.
That can be Scarlett's kitchen.
Wow.
No, not the light,
No, baby,
Scarlett.
not the light.
Ang daming
Look at
pwedeng
the
pag...
kitchen.
Look,
at
look.
the baby's
Oh,
kitchen.
wow. Baby's got her own kitchen.
Wow.
Are you cooking?
Is the baby cooking? Baby, she
And baby can wash her
Oh.
dishes.
Dishes
Oh,
and
wow.
Wow. I just can't run so much, man. My heart started getting a little bit funky feel on it again. I
Scarlett.
don't want to get one.
Sabi niya, dyan daw dapat nilalagay yung mga kaldero. Oh, tingnan nyo guys. Malaki na yung baby ko. Pwede na siyang bilhan ng sarili niyang kitchen. Scarlett, look at Mama, baby. Look. Give it a hug. Huggy, huggy. Oh, you can't take it off, baby. Baby's got her own kitchen. Sabi niya, ano ba naman tong kusinang to? Hindi gumagana. Oh, wow. Baby found another pan. Oh, wow. Sabi niya walang tubig daw, guys. Yung gripo daw hindi gumagana. Hindi nagbayad ng bill. Tuwang-tuwa. Tingnan niyo itsura niya. Is baby having fun?
That's about it. $79 or $80.
Nagbe-bake daw siya, guys. What are you making, Scarlett?
Where did you come from?
Look.
Quando attacchi il tappeto là, eu compro, eu achei muito caro. Foi uma...
Wonder how much is it? Oh wow, sobrang gusto ko yung setup na to, guys. May yung carpet tsaka yung mga sofa. That's cute.
I mean, it looks like old stuff. You know, like, it looks like stuff we have.
I even like this one. Sobrang organized talaga, guys, sa loob ng IKEA. So, nagustuhan talaga namin. And yun, babalik kami doon para bilhin yung desk ko para sa filming room. Pero yun na yung vlog natin for today, guys. Sana nagustuhan nyo, napanood nyo. Kung nagustuhan nyo, don't forget to give this video a big fat thumbs up. Comment kayo sa baba kung ano yung mga gusto nyo makita next time. Don't forget to follow me and Scarlett on our social media accounts, Instagram and Facebook. Ilalagay ko yung link sa description box below. Also, don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. So, I hope to see you guys again on my next vlog. Bye! Mwah! Mwah!